Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to switch between Binance Lite and Binance Pro. It's a very easy thing to do, so let's get right into it. Just open up your Binance. And right now I'm in the Pro version. You probably aren't seeing it like this, but I'm going to show you how to do it for both. Because it's the same way. So you can left click on your icon, just tap there with your mouse, with your finger, whatever. And then click on Binance Lite and you'll be converted to the simple version of Binance if you just want to buy and trade. And to convert to Pro from Lite, it's pretty much the same way. You click the profile and you turn it off. So Pro offers quite a lot of more advantages, like different markets. You can see the spot futures zones here. You have also your favorites. Trading is basically pretty much the same, but you can also spot trade here. You have your margins, your peer-to-peer trading, which is basically trading with other people, but I'm not going to be explaining that now. You must learn it on your own because I'm not gonna give you any financial advice. Pretty much you'll get pop-up for anything. You have your features and of course your standard wallet here, but you have your spot wallet, your funding, cross margins, isolated margins, etc, etc, etc in Pro. So if this is a bit overwhelming for you, I'd suggest just sticking to Binance Lite for now until you get a bit better at it. So that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. See you next time. If it did, like and subscribe and have a nice day.